The intense aroma of this precious fruit of the earth can make even the simplest dish special. Today, no longer laborious preparations, just a handful of ingredients and I'll serve a delicious first-course dish. If the idea whetted your appetite, stay there, I'll make a fettuccine with truffles for you. To prepare this quick recipe we need truffle, salt, oil, clove of garlic, pepper and butter. And let's start with the truffle, the great protagonist of this recipe. I've already cleaned my truffle. Doing it is really very simple. Just use a vegetable brush with semi-hard bristles and scrape off all the soil. Now I'll show you how to slice it. I'm using a truffle cutter, so I can adjust to the thickness of the truffle slices. Of course, if you don't have it, you can use a potato peeler. It will be a bit more annoying, but a Neapolitan like me, in extreme times, makes do. I'll put a pan on the stove and heat up a little oil with butter. And let it melt over low heat so it doesn't burn. Nice clove of garlic. And while the garlic clove is browning, well, it's time to put the pasta. But first, we'll put a pinch of salt. Now I can remove the garlic clove and then take the truffle. Down in the pan, but I'll keep some aside for the final garnish. Don't call it a tuber. In fact, the truffle is a subterranean mushroom that is found underground. From Alba to Norcia, the truffle is a real delicacy. In Piedmont, the most common variety is the white one, which is preferred to be eaten raw, while the black variety, the one I'm using, can also be cooked, so it will release its intense and aromatic flavor that is perfect with the fettuccine. Let's add a nice pinch of salt and pepper. Just un anticchie, that is very little, of pepper. I'll scoop some cooking water and pour it into the pan. This way we'll avoid frying the pasta. This is a must when making an oil and butter base. Here the pasta's cooked perfectly. I'll drain it in the sauce. Now keep stirring it a bit, so the starches of the pasta will form the delicious cream. The last sautéing, and I'm ready to serve. This chouet recipe is a true classic to prepare whenever you want to impress your guests. You will leave them speechless with the elegant simplicity of this dish. Did this recipe make you hungry? Cook it yourself, then let me know.